But we just came out of nowhere. Holy shit. Oh, sorry about my voice. Oh, he's right there. Oh boy, did I stick him, man. Boy, oh boy, did I stick him. Oh my god. He was at like 15 yards. Oh my god. He was standing like right there, like 15 yards. And I put down Dopey this morning just so he stopped. He stopped right where I put the pee down. Oh my god, it totally just happened. Oh my god, he's dead right there. Didn't go. That's not even 50 yards, dude. Not even 50 yards. Big old freaking mud. You put a hole in him, man. Oh my god, that was incredible. Oh my god. That just happened. It just happened. Oh. Here's some goose hunters slaying some geese this morning right behind me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Ah! This is incredible. Guys, this totally just happened. Yes! This is amazing. I just put up the stand last night. I left my climber. I came out last night and put it up because I didn't want to make a bunch of noise bringing it in this morning. Totally worked. Totally walked right behind me. Didn't have a freaking clue I was here. I was perfect downwind. Right there. I almost dropped my bow. I was drawing back and I don't know, let it down a little bit on accident, and when I did that I bumped the camera. You can see it scooting. I had to bring my camera back over my string and push it over and get him in view. I'm gonna check out that video though because I haven't looked at it. Yes! I don't know what he is. He's like a little spike or something. I don't even fucking know. I don't really care though. He's got antlers. He's got antlers. I got a deer. I gotta work at noon, and it's only like 7:30, so I got some time. Oh, yes! Dead deer, man. Putting some. Alright, I get down and I'll do the recovery in just a second.